In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Google site. So the first thing you want to do is access Google Sites, and there's one of two ways you can do it. Up in the Omni box, you can type in sites.google.com and hit enter. The other way that you can do it is click on the 9 boxes and choose Sites. Now, when you go to Google Sites, it's going to pull up the classic sites. This will slowly start to disappear, so you want to make sure that you're creating a new Google site. So over on the left, choose New Google Sites, and this will pull up all of the new Google sites that you have created. If you've never created one, then you won't see anything here. If you want to create a new site, click on the plus button down in the right-hand corner, and this will open up your new site. First thing you want to do is name the site. So up in the left-hand corner, you can name it your site. I'll just name it Sample Website. This actually automatically saves into your Google Drive. So in your Google Drive, you will see this icon along with the title Sample Website. Next thing you want to do is name your main page. So this is your home page. This is what students or what other people will see when they access your website. So to name your page, you will click where it says your page title, and you can type in the name of the page. I will just name it home page. If you decide that you would like to name it something else, just click in it again, highlight your text, and change the name. You can also change the text, so you can change it to the title, a heading, or a subheading, and it will change the size of the font. You can also change the background image, so if you choose change image, you can either upload your own image or you can select one given to you by Google. And it automatically adjusts for readability. So these stars in the corner, it automatically adjusts. So notice it changes the color a little bit. If you don't want it to adjust and you want it to go back to your original formatting, then you just remove the readability and it will go back to the format that you had prior. Once you create a website, the first thing you want to do before you even worry about building your site is you want to make sure that you publish this site. If you do not publish your site, students and other people will not be able to see it. So you want to choose publish and you want to create a name. Your website will be sites.google.com/view/ whatever you name your site. So I could name it Sample Site 2, but notice that it's already taken. And if you decide that you don't want anyone except for your students or your colleagues to see your site, you can actually check this box to request public search engines to not show it when it's searched, and then you just choose publish. Once your site is published, now anyone with that link can now go to your website.